Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. A lamb curry, silky smooth, a little bit hot, a little bit spicy, absolutely delicious, lovely, tender, juicy lamb curry. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in that pan, I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a coconut oil, it's just melting down as you can see. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use a different oil you want. You can use like a canola or corn or sunflower. We're on a medium heat. Now let's take a look at our lamb. I've got some beautiful lamb there. It really is a lovely cut. Nice quality, nice bit of fat on it, which I love. We're gonna get this in. I've got like 1 kg. There's a bit of bone in there, but really beautiful, tender, nice cut of lamb. It's actually in New Zealand, if you're interested. Nice chunky cuts you can see there, beautiful. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna get it in this oil first, just with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm just going to sear it and get it kind of a little bit of colour on it first before we proceed to the next step. So it's just going to take about maybe 6 or 7 minutes, medium heat. I'll be tossing it around. Really beautiful. Fantastic. Okay, out that comes. Just going to set that to one side. Obviously not cooked all the way through, but we've got a nice bit of colour on there, you know. So the meat's going to come out. We're going to keep the oil there and we're going to use that because obviously it's got some lovely flavours in it right now. Okay, so we're back. Got that lovely flavoured oil there. I'm going to drop in now 3 dried red chilli and 6 green cardamoms. To that I'm going to drop in some fresh curry leaves. Nice handful on this one. Now if you can't get fresh curry leaves, try and get dried ones, but the fresh ones are just really incredible. To that we're going to drop in 1 cup of onions, or just over actually. And then 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of both. You can buy that in stores, or like us, you can make it yourself. We use so much of it. Just above a medium heat, I think this is. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Really lovely. Okay, so we're going to add some spices now. If you're regular to the show, you're going to know what's happening right now. Equal parts of what I call the big 4. Got 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, coriander, chili, and cumin powder. Just going to go for a little mix. Then we're going to reintroduce the lamb. And just about 4 or 5 minutes we're going to go on this medium heat, stirring it around, get some lovely flavours onto that lamb. And of course, get it cooking. Delicious. Amazing stuff. A little bit more salt. We did put some salt on the lamb, remember. And then just some water. That's about 1 pint. And then get the heat up. I'm going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful. Okay, we're now going to add 400 ml of coconut milk. We're going to turn the heat down to a nice simmer. Lid's going to go on that, and we're going to let that go for 30 minutes. I love that vibrant colour as the coconut milk goes in, mixes with those beautiful spices, especially the turmeric. Okay, lid on, nice and low, half an hour. Incredible stuff. Okay, let's jump in and have a look. That's looking incredible, isn't it? Nice, super silky smooth. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the heat up, and we're going to go with the lid off on a high heat just to reduce it down a bit. It will evaporate out a little bit. I just want to thicken that up slightly, maybe about 5 minutes. And that's great. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm going to drop in a little bit of cilantro or coriander, fresh. And then a few fresh green chilies just at the end. That is beautiful. Okay, and there you go. You've got that lovely separation of the coconut oil that we use at the beginning and from the coconut milk as we cooked it out. I truly, truly love that one. That's delicious, I think. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one.